You're looking for a 25-foot auger snake to clean your kitchen drain? How about your toilet, your sink or shower, to your laundry sinks and more? This is a drain auger, a snake with a manual and a drill to attach, optional for your drain needs. We're going to demonstrate cleaning a gutter leader outside and show you what this machine is about. We have an auger, a snake, portable for those sinks, bathrooms, washrooms, where you need to clear a drain. It can be used with a drill and a manual handle. Not that difficult to put on. You match up like for like, place over, a little force, snaps in, and you spin. It has a trigger that you forcefully close and holds into place, like so. And when you're ready to pull out up to 25 feet, you do so, and then you hold into place to free your clogs. It does not have any attachments. It's one piece included and does not come out of the red barrel area. It locks into place. You're given a pair of gloves. The fabric on the back, rubber on the front, and they fit a nice large hand. Wear them to be clean and to do your work freely. Over time, general maintenance is needed. A can of oil. Spray the unit, clean it up, and off you go. We're going to take the handle off. It's as simple as grabbing the back, pulling off, grabbing your favorite drill, attaching, locking into place, and ready to spin your auger. We're going to come down to the drain and we're going to clean upward as much as we can. Start to squeeze the trigger and hold. With your auger, squeeze the handle and the trigger of your drill until your clog is cleared. When all cleared, simply push back into the unit, cleaning the snake as you go. Put the snake down, drag out, spray and clean while the end will not come out and stationary, and simply place back in by pushing in. The snake auger is flexible, it bends, easy to use, portable for all your cleaning needs with a special head that is locked on. When all done, separate from your drill and put it in your favorite spot of your tools. You're given an instruction guide on how to go over your unit and operate it in detail. It also tells you how to take and tear apart your machine and fix it if ever need to be. 25-foot auger, squeezable trigger to hold the snake in, small diameter to fit all your pipe needs in the house. Simply pull off the handle to attach your drill, and it's easily to put back on as you match it up correctly. I hope you enjoy your household tool for your sewer needs, cleaning the clogs and all. A permanent head, 25 foot, easy to use. Thank you for viewing.